Welcome back. Keep it simple, keep it short. Join and coin here. Thanks for your support. All right, let's jump into Vechain. In the short time, we can see here that, Vechain, as I talked in my last video, was attacking the 0.382 level, but got rejected here. And you can see it tried to attack the 0.382 as Vechain couldn't push higher. Vechain came down to the 0.618 level, is now below the golden pocket, and found support at the 0.702 at 0.0227. So the RSI, we can see here on the 10th of July, broke this uptrend and is now in a downtrend. What's interesting to see is that the RSI is relatively quickly coming down, wants to reset here, while we don't see a huge drop in the price for now. So in the very short term, the targets remain the same to the upside, the 0.382 at 0.0245, the 0.236 at 0.025, and then the 0.0268. But as we are in the very short term in a downtrend, we have to take a look at this level at 0.022 because it is acting here very well as a support in the last week. And also here, basically during this whole sideways move, also here you can see that it acted as a support. If this is not holding, then I would see Vechain at the 0.021 again. And if this is also not holding, then the 0.272 at 0.019. MACD in the short term, bearish. We will see if this trend line here can hold. But at the moment of recording, in the very short term, we can definitely see here a bearish price action. So let's jump to the daily. If we zoom out, we can see here clearly that on the logarithmic chart, this long-term uptrend is very well respected by Vechain for now. And it's right sitting at the bottom of this upwards channel. RSI on the daily in an uptrend. And MACD slightly in an uptrend, but we will see if we get here a bearish cross again, and then maybe one more push to the downside. So on the weekly, we can see Vechain is down 92% from the all-time high. And the question is for sure, what will happen if Vechain couldn't hold these levels here and is falling out of this channel? We can take a look at Ethereum, and we can see here Ethereum started this downtrend from November, had a relief rally in March, and is now trading at 1,146. So if you take a look from this downtrend to this uptrend on a linear chart, we can see that basically this whole move to the downside is equal to this move to the downside. So it exactly hit the one level at 894. So if you take a look at Vechain again, we can see that Vechain came close to the one level. This would be my target to the downside if the whole channel is breaking and we would have a dip to the downside, then I see the 0.018. But we also have to keep in mind that we are about to get this bullish cross here on the weekly. So Vechain had a bullish cross here, but there was no confirmation, and there was again a bearish cross. But it seems like that Vechain will have a bullish cross here very soon. Also, we can see here that we got a bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. So there was a higher low, while in the price there was a lower low. In the Vechain Ethereum chart, there is this downwards channel, which was basically built since May 21. One touch to the upside, two touch, three touch. And it seems that Vechain wants to break out of this channel. We are not there yet, but this is getting to a crucial point because you can see Vechain is sitting at major support. So this support here acted as resistance before Vechain outperformed the market heavily. And it also acted here in May 20 before there was this huge outperforming. And also on the journey to the all-time high, this level acted here as a resistance before we got this huge green candle, which started the uptrend last year in Vechain. And at the moment of recording, Vechain is exactly at this level. So also here it acted as a support, and we saw Vechain 2 times breaking to the downside, and yeah, is sitting here exactly at this level on the stock RSI. We are in overbought conditions, so Vechain could come down here one more time, could find support at the 1864 level, and potentially building here inverse head and shoulders, which would bring Vechain to the around the 4,000 level. So basically where it was here and found resistance at the top of this channel. On the monthly Vechain Ethereum, we got here a bullish cross in May. And yeah, this is also a bullish sign because it is the monthly chart. And yeah, the last time we had a bullish cross on the monthly was before Vechain went to the all-time high in May of 2021. Vechain Bitcoin, yeah, we can see here that this trend line is very well respected. This is not broken to the upside yet, but we can see on Vechain Bitcoin that we can draw this trend line here of the RSI, because we have 1 touch point, 2 touch point, and here the third one. And yeah, also here, Vechain is very, very close to a decision very soon. So maybe it got rejected here this week one more time, coming down and then trying to break it, or it will break through. But yeah, at the moment, because I'm expecting one more drop to the downside in Bitcoin, I think we should be a bit more patient. But if you especially look at the charts, Vechain against Ethereum and Vechain against Bitcoin, but it's also the same like other big altcoins, there are a lot of bullish indicator on the longer time frames. So you got bullish crosses on the weekly, on the monthly, and this is not what happened, not very often. So from a charts perspective, from Vechain to Ethereum or Bitcoin, you can see, yeah, there is a potential shift in the trend very soon. But at the moment, yeah, we have to wait. If you take a look here, for example, on the MACD, we got our bullish cross after the bearish cross here. And yeah, there was also a bearish cross. It was not confirmed. And there is again, is here a bullish cross. So bigger altcoins against Bitcoin and Ethereum looking quite well at the moment. But yeah, we have to see if Bitcoin gets one more drop to the downside this week. All right, this was my update to Vechain. If you like this video and you want to get updated with the latest crypto news and analysis, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notifications bell. Very well appreciated. I wish you a wonderful start in the week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.